Today we are going to be going over viscosity, what viscosity is, why we check it, and how we check it. Viscosity is a fluid's resistance to flow, often understood as the thickness of fluid. For optimal performance, you should always make sure that your paint's viscosity is in range. Before you start, make sure you have everything you need. You have your charting material, Zahn cup of choice, the coating, clean cup of solvent for cleaning up when you're finished, temp gun, and a stopwatch. First, ensure your material is in suspension. Thorough mixing is always a must when checking viscosity. Second, make sure that you check the temperature of your coating. Always check inside of the container on the material and not the outside of the can or the drum. 75 degrees, we'll chart that. Now we will go on. Got my stopwatch, number 2 Zahn. We'll go stick the tip in, break up any air bubbles that could potentially cause problems. Go in at an angle to avoid any backsplash. We always want to make sure to start the stopwatch when the cup crowns out of the material. So right there, we'll start it. And what we're looking for is a break in the stream, approximately 1 inch under the cup. When you're holding the cup, always hold the cup by the free-floating ring to get the most accurate measurement. That's the break we're looking for. It is within the recommendation of the tech data sheet for the viscosity range. Now at this point, we'll come over here, put it in our cup of solvent, let that soak for just a minute, put our time on our tracking. First one, new barrel, yes or no? It was a new can, new gallon, so yes. First shift, my initials, today's date, the temperature of the coating, 75 degrees. The initial viscosity, it was 28 seconds, number 2. That falls right in the range of our tech data sheet for the recommended viscosity. Nothing to change to or no solvent added. Our tracking is good. Then we'll come over here, give our viscosity cup a couple of swirls. We didn't need to make any changes, but if you would need to adjust your viscosity, you would want to add your solvent, remix, go through the testing process again, logging your adjustments on the chart.